That time ushukumisa usibaya ngeCoca-Cola.
Yeah.
Bengilapho abasenza ama-ball boy yazicabanga.
Abakusevile ngalela la. Angalela la abakusevile lelo langa libonge mfana. Ngoba bekurafu. Udlalini uchipa kancane.
BekuyiBrian.
Mangitshela istory C1 angafuni ukungitshela ngaso esangale.
Siyahamba uceda ukubhala iBM lakhe limnyama. Mina ngivange limhlophe elakudala iDolphin.
Yeah.
Emona tibos eya ha utlo rentsha bane rvaka ya always cut inside that man
Why vele boshaya ibhathu so mfethu?
bengashaya ibhathu shavuna
No, bonge phela like ithi ngibeke bengizwa bathi ngathi ilengwenya naye benokungena e-dressing room ithi lower coach akaphume ngena Tibos
ngikhumbula sikhujwa umayoyo la afika tshela
noHotman utamayo naye mhlawumbe ushayelwe naye tozakhe
usakhuluma usathi simshayile uthi uphethe usathi no coach oh lo akaphume sifake izathi hayi chairman le ifuna insamu aphumele ngaphansi ayobhebe yeah
hayi Hotman yami Hotman uyakela now sanibonani ma South Africa mahle this is Jabu Mahlangu and Diski Shandis and I'm your host Jabu Mahlangu. Shuffle the pack mwana wathwenyi angivanyi one yalaga le angivanyi one bafethu niyazi ngivano sense of knowledge shuffling Diski ringers knowledge shap kunjani
uthini umshavulana
ulaganda
mwana wathi
ulaganda ngiyancanywa blind legama ngifuna ukuba umadala still
mele sil trademark ethule gama
kahle kahle
banokukhuluma ngalo legama ngisho ngithi
noma kanjani
seliphezulu kwemali
and asukudlala ukuba mwana wathi
ubagaya idea mfethu mele siyenze ma speed because someone will run a trademark ngiyakutshela
mara umwana wathwenyazi igama lami impela asukudlala nginikezwe legend the late Screamer Shabalala may his soul rest in peace ngimroundisa amatafula futhi kungifaka induku otherwise
but right nami ithi ngibulise Sibusiso Mahlangu aka Sense of Knowledge your co-host on JMDS
bafethu please sicela ningakhohlwa we appreciate your support sicela nichubeke kanjalo to like share subscribe hit that notification bell to get all the latest updates eziJabu Mahlangu and Diski Shandis shuffling Diski ringers namhlanje le out angazi uribuye eMpumalanga or yasePitori or yaseThembisa mara ngathi out yaseMpumalanga bafethu vandag we've got a special guest on our show uThabo Tshegofatso Mashego. He played professional football amathima wadlalela udlalela iThembisa Classic Maritzburg United Free State Stars Dynamos Roses United angazi ke untwana ukuthi uke wawina nyana something ama medal nyana mara sizohlafuna bafethu ngizomintroduce angazi uzasitshela umfowethu very tough defender awuthekeni idiski kakhulu and ishaya isicathulo le bengadlali no bafethu let me welcome uTshegofatso Thabo waziwa ngoTibos Mashego. Welcome to the show my brother. Siyabonga mfethu for isikhathi sakho.
Sure. Ngiyabonga chance for the invite to the viewers. Yeah, my name is Thabo Tshegofatso Mashego. Actually, Shavula, I was born in Ladyburg. You can say Ladyburg, but not grew up there. I grew up sharp. I was born in Beresford. It's just that Ladyburg, it's the hospital that I was born in.
Manda uyabona wena ngathi uzotshintsha ibongo nawe. Kani Tibos man.
Mamela Ladyburg and Beresford.
Yeah.
Lenyi Folanda Limpopo, enyi Folanda
Mpumalanga.
It's 50 kilos, but the hospital that was nearer or easier accessible was the one in Ladyburg.
Okay.
And not the one in Beresford where my mother they took. That's why a lot of people are Ladyburg than Beresford. So I'm a Limpopian sharp.
Oh, by right.
Yeah.
so baka uclaim akakwa ko Limpopo ba re wa bona
It's in the border. Mogi dulang ke bare ke Gautshwane in Beresford ko Oristad. It's in line. They were even fighting. Even know emadladleni ndoda akunaskontiri nama kusalwe ukuthi no hlima kuMpumalanga hayi hlima eLimpopo ayenziwa next lapha entabeni so
I know, I Beggarsford and Lydenburg Phakamani, your boy is here on JMDS. Abaphakame.
Yeah, thank umfethu sizoringa ngediski and thank you again ukuthatha isikhathi sakho Thibo sukuza ku platform yethu siziringela ngediski ngezinto zakho ukuthi kambe kanjani ediskini your career asicale nje ngimvelaphi yakho ubani uThabo Mashego your family background and yeah asicale lapho mfethu.
Yeah, thanks again. I mean, like I was saying now, I was born in Lydenburg or Beggarsford, you can say that. I grew up there. I attended my primary school in a school in Gauteng called Legoleng.
Okay.
From there, after some time, my dad and my mom were in Tembisa. So my mother requested actually for me hore ke tle ngize eTembisa
yeah,
come and stay at Tembisa. Actually, you know, in Limpopo there were these things of witchcraft and stuff, so I used to bleed. It's true.
Okay.
So I used to bleed a lot through my nose, sometimes nasemadlebeni, up until Marcel Lydenburg in town. One man came and told my father, you need to save this child. Serious. That was my relocation to Joburg. I grew up ngikhuliswa ugogo. Abogogo wethu from my mother's side and my father's side. Angikhulelanga ekhaya nabazali bami.
I understand.
So I would stay le viki ngapha kugogo kabo time, and then the other week ngapha kubo oledi.
Yo.
Bekuyimpilo yami enjalo because it's closer. If ngapha kushiwa ngenyama bengihamba ngiyangayi. If ngapha kushiwa ngemrogo because in Limpopo umrogo wangibona nami ngisase strong now. You can't say ukuthi I'm 44 years. Yeah.
Ukuthi umbokazi lana ngomthatha.
Mntwana. So it's funny because they used to say ngifojile then. Now I'm 44 years. Abanye bathi no, you don't look 44, you look 38 now. Yeah. So it's a vice versa. But nevertheless, I was not interested in football.
Yeah.
Qale Tembisa, mangifike Tembisa. There was the tournament yase-Skela bekuyi-Koro break before kuzozaba KFC.
Before KFC.
Yeah, bekuyi-Koro break le yeikela. Yeah. So bayenza ama-trial eSkela. That's how I started playing football at Tembisa TKM. Ngomunye ucoach wethu bekuthi Menere Nkosi.
Yeah.
So baskiyela bathi groundini. Then I went there. They took me. Funny part, that's where my journey started. Yeah, I think that was 1995.
Yeah.
95 kana ngiqala sengidlala egroundini full time ngijwayele team nje.
Yeah.
But now full time ePolweni egroundini eSkela. Yeah, then I went to a league in Rabirish. Bekhona intamba to Mr. May. Then bilithanda ukwenza ama division of under 17. I think kuleya league bezidlala nabo Shakes nabo Tsivo kuleya league yase Rabirish.
Yes.
Yeah. Lapho. So I was taken by one time to Pramike. We under 19.
So sorry ukukhatha. Igama bosodlalela i-team angisho ku amateur.
Yeah.
Yini igama lalo team?
It was called Leeds United. It was actually now my father, because now I'm interested. Wayenza team kwaba iLeeds, wayenza nelinye out to Steve Uvavu. Yeah, so my father was sponsoring that team because bekaspana, not we were well off behlala eMkhukhwini. Yeah, but we were sponsor that team. Then I started playing. Then kwafika neSampdoria yamakhalat lapha eRabirish.
Okay.
Yeah, nabu then kwazoba i-left and right. Left and right ile yabo Tyrant Diamonds, the goalkeeper coach of Pirates.
Oh,
yeah. Nabo Kapa, that team. Nabo Danger was AC Milan, Tobejan, Rodney.
Akabuye eLimpopo naye beka lapha eThembisa.
Yeah, bahlala Rabirish.
Oh.
Yeah, so that's how we met now.
Mare Chartin bekhona umuntu odlala idiski before wena.
Yes, my brother. Not professionally though.
Yeah.
Yeah, my brothers were very good from what I heard up until I saw them masing calo blumanyana nam badlala ukuthi okay, yes, they understood ibola, you know. The only person mangkhula, I think that's what built me even though. Time alam langitshela straight, I've never met anyone. Everyone that ngihlangana naye shavula ungitshela mina bengimnandi. The time I was the first person actually, hayi mina mntanami ibhola. Mina bebangifakela uthi ngiyomaka. Engiyekho mla.
Awuthi uqala ukutshela imali.
Yaqala ukutshela imali. Bonke bahlezi actually, hey, mina bengimnandi.
Yabethu Thabani awuthi neqiniso. Ithi mina bengiyekho mnandi.
Yeah, awutshele imali.
Yeah.
From there at the Holpack, I think that was 1997. From Holpack besidlala kule league under 19, which were la Jozi, where bekudlala bo Chiefs, Pirates, Jomo Cosmos.
Ifana ne-GDL so.
Yes, we go GDL, but it was not GDL by then. I think it was called Southern Gauteng League.
Yeah, because we Southern Gauteng. Khona at that time because we Southern, Northern,
Yeah.
Even eKuruleng because East Rand.
Eastern.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but we see East Rand, not eKuruleng.
Yeah, la ma under 17, under 19. So from Lapo, khona le time alilba to Sputla. I think is one person that by ichomo tibe uchomo. Le time I'll contribute to Prache. So Prache, when they say Prache had an eye for talent, it was because him Nabo Sputla. So I think Ubiela.
Okay.
Lege ya coach Neros naye mayikorile
Yeah, ngiyakhumbula.
Yeah, uye bekaphethe i-development then nabo Menier ku-Cosmos. So 98, 99 I went to Cosmos. That's where my football career, you'll be surprised, 95 khana ngiqala ukudlala full time.
Yeah, bheka 95 uqala ne-Leeds. Angisho.
Yeah.
Khani uqala ukudlala the time aliyangena le time mfana ngiyakubona uyancanywa la ithi ngisupport ngikuphushe na i-Leeds from ku-Leeds.
Ngiya kuSampdoria ngilandwa ileza makhala.
Ulandwa ileza makhala. Ngifuna manje sihambe nayo. Then iza nayo.
Then left and right.
Left and right.
Yeah. Oh no, after Leeds there was a team but no, in Newcastle I played after Ichomo. Yeah. Left and right, then after left and right, Holpack.
Okay. Yeah.
That's where Cosmos discovered me. Then ngaya kuChomo from 98 till 2002.
Bokuchomo.
Benguchomo.
Okay.
Ngavaya, and not to say bese ngidlala kwi-reserve by then. We got promotion nabo Kila and them, but we were not registered fully we first team. With singadlala because we are nabo label from Orkant.
Oh yeah, that time.
Yeah, so ngiyabo that time ushukumisa usibaya ngeCoca-Cola.
Yeah.
Bengilapha abasenza ama-ball boy yazicabanga.
Yeah.
Abakusevile ngalela la. Angalela la abakusevile lelo langa libonge mfana. Ngoba bekurafu. So before iCosmos iza kuphi nyadideka la ithembisa classic ayikafiki. Owayikafiki. Ngicela uqhubeke izahamba nayo ungangeni emlomeni nje.
So
Khuluma ngayo. Amateur.
Sisase kuma development izahamba nayo mnganami.
Sharp. Now after that 2002 then I left iJomo Cosmos.
Why?
Because bengumzete shavula ungaboni manje nginokubamba icorona nyana ibhodle mina bengumzete. And it's not what people said, but one thing engingayibona with most amazete ayawadlala bithi ngishaya ibadge and at some stage bangilanda nokushaya itiye lapha development lapha bangilanda batendo hayi la yayibona so ngiyabona ukuthi it means
And ngapha ntwana eCosmos phela isihalakhala mina. Prajeni isihalakhala.
Hayi uyazi. Hayi uyazi.
Angifuni kuya lapho mara I'm saying njengimina njengoba ngumzete.
Okay.
I saw ukuthi ne opportunities oba limited because I was with nenye bathu Charles abo Mrashwa from Witbank, abo Trompis. I think udlale na national team under 23 if I'm not mistaken. So So masama zethi uyayithola icontract but ngeke udlale ku first team. It's rare, it's very difficult to ungadlala man because njengoba nayo uBrale coach Lebu umrula when he came back we are vele sokumzet gcina sebathi coach andota akasadlali. So ngibone ngathi ama chances wami of me playing PSL full time are going to be limited. Then I left.
Okay.
Bengino coach Para lapha futhi Paradise. Yeah. Paradise angibiza athi indoda ngiyale ku Stars phela. Kupuka.
No, ku Stars or ku
Free State Stars.
okay.
2002 ngiya ku Free State Stars. Ngiyafika. Hawu Para phone itholakala. Angiyazi nothi Free State ibhekephi.
Uhambe ngani kuyala?
Ngama taxi.
Obvious. Yo.
Kunama trial yakhumbula ngabo 2001 2 bebayikhiphe ephepheni.
Yeah.
Uyifunda lapho. Yeah, ngicela imali endlandleni. Actually before that into engenza ukuthi ngidlala idisc ngithi uBraje one thing that I always grateful for kuye. All these 4 years every year you know ukuthi uyahamba uya Orkant. Udlala let's say Gothia Cup.
Gothia Cup.
You play Vareggio in Italy. Bonke abo Nasif Morris besihamba nabo. Nasif Morris abo Dennis Masina. They used to come ku Jomo. Sambe, that's how he marketed ama players overseas. Yeah.
Eshikenda isayenzakali lento lesi.
No, ayisachunakali sense.
Yeah, then usendleleni uyale Free State.
Free State, sharp. Sharp uyafika ifone ayikho awu lo muntu lo manje inkinga mawungena lapha eqwaqwa lapha. Ana igarage ngithi ngizothini vele ngiyongena kusasa ngicela lapha egarage emadoda. Angazi umuntu angazi nothi ngiyaphi.
Yo,
Anginandawo ukugidla. Atazi ncenge lapha e-change room.
yeah, lapha yana material.
Yeah, lapha emabhekini.
Lapha. Lapha enukelwa iboots blind. Yo kidle uyokujoga mfika unikela ubujuluko weboots. Nyawazi ama dressing room asema garage. Lawa hlangane ne toilet uyocela ukuyoshaya 69. Kunuka iboots. Yeah, sure.
Ngidle lapha Shavule, ngiyavuka ekseni. Mangithi sengithi ngiyafona. Then uPara naye bamathi no uzani la stadium imalapha egarage ibhasi lizofika le team bazokulanda. Landa. Hawu PSL team not. Strayelele ebhucwini. Enye indawo athi Blue Campush. Mina ngishangani 6 pin ebhucwini.
Ushanga insimbi intwana ebhucwini.
Mina uyazi angazi ngisebenzisa imali.
Umuntu wensimbi.
Mina vele umuntu besikustar.
Umuntu wensimbi yo. Showcase.
Vele 10-15 minutes bangidonsa uBarrett wozala. Later ngizokutshela i-connector kanjani.
Yeah.
Angivaye. Athi kimi second team bangifake 10 minutes but hayi ndoda dlala la. Wena ithi sicede uzosukubona kusasa mase senza i-final selection. Hayi ngiye selection senza i-20. Besilapha nabo yey phela suka sonke from Cosmos.
Hayibo uyeba kulawo ma trial.
Hey
bafithi.
Sonke silapha.
Life ngenye indlela wow.
Yeah, and asibuya kuphi kuJomo sonke. Besilapha kuJomo sonke.
And buya nonke kuJomo.
Yeah, sesi before azoya esivutha yini le yasempumalanga. Before azoya lapha azobuya sekabuya kuJ. Yeah. Sile yazi besigidla umbuze mteteni mletha la kumbuze besigidla phansi.
Yeah, uzoza vele.
Besigidla phansi lapha. Kunzima sense. Akutshela nje mfowethu sigidla phansi mara kusasa iperformance wow bathatha 20. I think we were over 3.5 players beba lapha zo trial. It was 20, we were part of that 20. Aisha Sivaye sibuye nabo Ruben Tlute.
Yeah,
2002 we were together lapha. So sewuzosibona kwesi2 bese sibuyela kwesi2 ku Stars. Sharp sesekempini yabasitshela ukuthi ndoda uzohola 1.5. Sijabule imali izongena
at least.
uBraje siyavuka ekseni sekempini uTamike sekempini emadoda ayarekisa team itsamayile. Bonam plan. Ay sharp. Team sayithengisiwe. With that time bakhatha ama team PSL they were 18.
They were 18.
Real Stars
Oh,
ne-Free
yeah,
State.
yeah.
Yes, they were 18. Yeah, we
Yeah.
had 18 teams. Yeah.
Yeah. After lapho sivaye vele ngibuye ekhaya then ngiye ku Newcastle.
iNewcastle isekasi
Sekasi.
Yeah.
Yeah, manje phela that time ayifani namanje sense ukuthi uzofonela uShavushavula no ngifuna isipani angizameli bangigaye opportunity asithi ngigaye isipani
Ngicela
ngicela opportunity
Yes.
by then bengekho so ngidlala kuNewcastle ekasi ayikufike enye out from eKZN usithe umhlambi kuyadlala kuDynamos fika at indoda khona ilento bathi Wembezi United bekuyi Italian Juventus Escort eNatal
In Natal. Yeah.
asiyele sishaya isipani sharp one day ngise Durban ngihlangana nobani ngihlangana noRuben
Utlute.
yeah Klute uRoy Barreto kubhakaniya hey ndoda yangisanayo phela ama number kaBarreto ongayi number ayisihlale lapha ngiye ku Manning Rangers nakhona ngithola indawo bomanini makubhedilo la
Ubani coach Manning Rangers?
kwimle yasezimo
Johan
lebe iphuza kakhulu yasezima
bekuyi striker or
coach
ubani?
ngokutshela igama la mangikukhumbula
Sharp.
yeah before kuzofika uSteve
Before Steve.
Manning Rangers yeah bekuyo lengweni
Ngikhohliwe.
bathi sibuye Steve afike athi no ngisafuna ukubona i-team inafo lento leke ngisayikhona ngifonela uBarreto manje senza njani ngila athi ngiyehla mara ngithatha iClearance kuphi kuJuventus phela uABC Vodacom there
Vodacom then
yeah ngiyapi ngiyeJozi ngifika ngihlala no Barreto ku Pirates eMayfair
Yeah.
sharp uyangithatha ulona uBarreto uthi yazini la kunzima ukuthi ungazothola ispan ngiyakwazi because he was very happy phela beyangithanda ngisasentwana manje
Ngisasentwana.
senginabo ma 22 23 uyabona hayi yonke ifuture isasekhona
Isasekhona.
afonelwe eShweni sathini une team ngathi bekuyisporting kweNFD
Sikhumbula iSporting. Yeah, ngiyakhumbula nami.
Yeah.
Hey. Ngikhumbula izinto zakutuka
Yeah,
mfana. Hey.
Angiye lapha athi kimi hayi ndoda let me be honest with you lo coach Thames uBetty Thames athini yeah athi no how deserve ukudlala la asihamba ufonela abantu Owen ukuphi uceda ukupromote iSilver Stars ngiyafika Owen naye impressed Clarence Dololo okay asenza iplan ntwana la uzoba nenkinga mawala Clarence siyakulona lonela imabupani yang Masters ePitori kuNFD 6 months necontract ibhalwe njalo 6 months you come back ngiyadlala imabupani yang Masters ehlala nabo makhubela after lapho 6 months yaphela ngiyabuya mangibuya hayi phela Owen manje sekasayinile abanye akasayingene yami no hey you know Thabo these people they say it's full what you need to go because I'm not going back lapha
Hey man.
siza ngifonela athi woza kuPillars ngiye kuPillars ndoda bekuyi this coach uIshet yeah ngathi uIshet ngabo Biza nabo Tiko Pillars ngaleso sikhathi
Oh Tiko iPillars le yabo Dona.
yeah
Tiko.
nabo lento nabo Kobi lelihlo
yeah
lengwenye ithi kimi ngiyakuza ngizobathi uyashisa ndo
Leyani.
yeah ushete ilebe kuthi wena bayafika lapho senze yakubheka ithi
late ukobi
Yeah,
uyakhuluma
yeah.
ngayo.
Ukobule late.
Yeah,
La
uli-
kuzothi le elihlo.
yeah
Yeah, late.
angithi ngifuna ukuthi ukhumbule fast
Ngichaza. Yeah, uyakuchaza uhamba nami ya. Uyangajaza. Ngithatha
hey jabule
elihlo. Alright mnganami si.
Shapa.
Asiziningi indaba kumele siphusheni bafika
yeah
indaba
I
ziningi.
think ngishaye nje ukuthi
Yeah.
ibe brief yabona
Eish.
hayi sharp athi kimi woza kuPillars lengwenye ithi kimi Indoda ngiyezwa bangitshelile ngawe. Abantu abaningi ngibuzile bathi hey umnandi la esiswini. Bengishaya center back. Athi bathi umnandi la esiswini. Ngithi hayi okay yeah nala esiswini ngiyadlala. Athi yabona mawungamakubhiza noTiko. Ngigayi contract. Hayi kusaze ngina one day ngilapha sense. Athi kusasa sidlala 11v11. Uzodlala ku B team. Mawungamakutiko noBhiza la. Bebanano lona evidlile. Nawe uyayithola icontract. Uyangazi. Angenzi World Cup ngilolile mfana ngi. Hayi.
Wenzi World Cup ilolile ntwana.
Hayi World Cup ngilolile. Uyazi usakhumbula ukutshela uDiki nokumkhumbuza uyazi uBhiza. Ngathi sicathu. Bayenzani na wasithola sekuyime esentini ngiwala.
Control izinto.
Ngilabona abadlalela le emasayini.
Yeah babaleka.
Yeah, manje inkinga ngize kasi ngifuna iClearance ngiyakubi
Kulo.
kuPillars from Imawupane yang Masters. Ngihlangana no Page no Change. Hayi ndoda usayaphi kudela na iThembisa Classic.
Upage Mahlangu.
Ugrotman uPride.
That's how iThembisa I moved to Thembisa Classic went. From Lapo NFD we win promotion.
And who was the coach? Sorry,
Page no long.
Upra Page bukuyi coach.
Yeah, no Change.
No Change, okay.
Yeah. So win promotion. Awusiyangena ku PSL sathi sibhekile Thabo uthengisa team. Uyisaphi? Maritzburg. Now they say only 12 players. Sasiminyile nabo the pool lapho.
Ukhona uyecika.
Udelete.
Delete Cibi, yeah.
Yeah, yafika nabo general lapha endoda bese right nabo Khafu.
No Khafu, yeah.
Yeah, nabo Rashid. Siyasuka siyapi eMaritzburg then.
Rashid le yase Witbank.
Yala ithembisa uKhafu lebe bamshayise right back uyi captain eClassic.
Dlale ku Pirates.
Maya ku Pirates bamshayise right
Uyakhanda
back.
lesilendanyana engathi bengicabanga ukuthi uRashid ngicabanga uRashid enye yase iyadlala ku development Pirates is fine yase Witbank. Yeah. Ngiyambona uKhafu osilenda nyamazi uKhafu nyamazi.
Yeah, from lapho ke Maritzburg stayed there up until they got relegated. When they got relegated, ngibuyela kuphi ku Stars was 2. That was 2007. Up until ngizohlala, which was my best career ku Stars. Then from lapho yathi Dynamos, I stayed for 2 seasons.
Mara thi. Ngifuna la ithembisa Classic manit ne adjust. Ise yabhayiswa seye Maritzburg.
Yeah.
Uvayile wena wayorolekita ne team.
Yeah.
Uvaye nabobani abobani ukhumbulayo phela uyazi makufika kulezi zinto zayo zokurolekethwa kwama team kunalezi ufuna ukuba nenkani mara ukusala yangeke igcine wena.
Yeah.
Ukusala i-team yahamba wena uvaye nabobani amathi athi hayi bafethu hayi ethi sibambeni umoya asambeni sile sive sisipana sizove sibheke ezinye izinto and abobani abanye abathi mina ngilapho angeke you know mosithi manje yeah just ngifuna usigayele that transition from ukuthi manje so la uthi uya relaxa ku first team sekumele uyorelocate uye kwenye province. Yeah.
Baning eziningi intori zeThembisa Classic.
That's why yeah.
Bekunanabo James. Sicela ukuthola nabo James. I remember the last game. Yeah, uJames ngithiwe uStorotoro.
UStorotoro yeah.
Not asiyasuka hey lapha. Okay sibuye Bushbucks. Besidlala neBushbucks thola idraw. Siyabuya. Sejimile Sland Park. The next team yini ilento le yabo Owen Silver Stars. Sidlala naye ku Peter Mkabe ePolokwane. How during the week siyayithola indaba uthe phela team yavaya.
Yo.
Team yavaya. Hayi okay. Naku no James bekune drama kule game. James sibuye lento sidrowile 1-1 uJames ekseni sidlale night ekseni road work eBish uStorotoro ula ay manje
ula hey man
ha manje abo coach bathi le ngathi yasniff
marusha irecovery
yeah
akashayiri
no tiyathi uthi ufaka umoya
Uthini uJames? Yo, ade bengikhuluma naye. Bengikhuluma naye
Kenya boy.
Ngikhopa Kenya, mara nyomiyeka thini iphume episode. Bengikhuluma naye manje bangapha ngisho yazi ukuthi academy yakhe they are this side.
Yeah. Ay ngila siyahamba siyale. Now the drama starts.
Yeah.
Bathi bafuna umkhiphi bacabanga ukuthi ngathi uyabhema uJames.
Yeah.
Ubhema ama drugs the way besekahlupha ngakhona. Bathi bathatha 19 that time kusathathwa 18 ke game.
Yes.
Bathathe 19 not the dressing room. Asazi uDubano is 19.
Ubalo 19. Eyisani yo.
Ifike lengwenya lezi amakula abo
Yeah,
lezi respect.
Yeah.
Ayikathengisi team but ithengisiwe thina bakasitsheli. Oh ziyafika lapho abu Farouk. Listen guys, all of you, the bonus for today, Thames has told you bonus. Bonus for today is 1,000 each. 1,000. Okay. Oh, simnandi swinini. Sidlale before igame iqale phela sifuna ukuthola uDubano wes-19. Awu lo wes-19 mela standing uJames.
And vele mela standing.
Yeah, babe uJames. Bekhona elinye time ngizwile bathu slap bathu late nalo. Yilo belihlanganisa into zakhona yabo.
Yeah.
Bekuyimaneja futhi.
Yeah.
Ayidota uyagcobisa
Sikhambele.
Hayi sekaphasa amajezi bakaphasa amajezi uJames bamjump uJames yabona hayi manje kanti iquality khona athi slap khwetsa khala akere abaseba ka voice
Yeah.
hayi slap athule athi angathi buta bo coach awu la ingwenya
Buta bo coach.
Ulona ukuphi upage usetoilet balanda bani
Ulo
uchintsha chintsha manje kwenzakalani hayi buza uslap uyazi ukwenzala ubuyela ku slap uthe bakamthola samixa lento yakhe
Yeah.
ngizathi slap where's my jersey man I'm tired ngithi slap athi James hamba ngaphandla ukhe ku18 James ubuya kupakali
He's a big player.
He's a big player. I mean, you know, yinking is nasemzansi. You need to respect senior players.
They don't respect.
Yeah, you need to respect senior players ubanike the respect.
If umdlalisi mtshele prime.
Mntwana mamela this week I'm playing now. Uzo understand tala sebhole.
Yeah.
Abangamba ukutshela ku dressing room. Hey, you standing now.
And utshelwa team manager yamakhathakhatha.
Yeah.
Bamdelile.
Usahleli izosha vula usahleka kusukudelela. Shevula ahlale la uJames nebhack.
Mina ngisadlala ngokuhleka. Angene
Uslap la ngebhathi. Uslap wela le. Uyabuya lapha ufuna ukumkhahlela ukuphonsa incindi uJames. Hayi man James kwenzakalani? Sithi siyabalamula lapha bathi bamkhiphela ngaphandle udelate uJogonia nyathelela umyali hey yekani uJames izinto yakhe
Uthi shaya lenje.
uzakulwi uJames bamdelela uthi uvala lo amnya uthi hey yekani uJames izinto yakhe
ngabuthi ushaya kit manager.
I mean basitshela nge1000 ibonus bazokutshela
Yo,
dressing room ukuthi awukho kanjalo iyakwatisa
yeah.
into engibona ukuthi ngiyafika ukuthi uJames why bekayenzile lento okay hayi afika iphume ku toilet page yazi nayi I'm sorry mjeza nawe mawuzobona le episode ngiyaxolisa mara uyazi umjeza ku page akudlalela wonke umuntu you know page
Akudlalela kanjani?
Page la.
Welaitani?
Alo kathulile athe hayi alo.
Yakho kumane uthulele kanje uhlangu.
Ulo uhlangu wakhe
Wethu sarita thina sidlala.
Rita vele thina sidlala.
Phela page
Suzu nje lapha kwethu la. Sokurita thina.
uyazi nomjeza nokumtshela mayifika akali uyofika akithi yangingi.
Hey man mama usho ukuthi upage utamjeza lo ngimaziyo.
Mhlonipho.
uLex of Thanda.
Yeah.
La ku page.
Yeah.
Uyama lapha.
Kahle.
Asiqhubeke mfana sine.
Asiqhubeke kanjani?
Yeah.
Akayiqede wamenzani intwana?
Okay, sicedele ka James.
Yeah, leka James.
Yeah, okay.
Ayaphuma upage, page. Inyawo zike zahambe emoyeni. Zaka James.
Upage.
Yeah, upage ambambeso. Inyawo zila.
Nenzani nina bafethu?
Oh, so thina phela sintwana, thina phela lapho sanabo ma 24. Intwana, masina player phela.
And kujabu Jacob.
Yeah, masina usibalo.
Besabuya kuswayilo sudele
Yeah.
Yes.
Hayi bamthathe bamkhiphele ngaphandle, swine leyo game. I think we won 2-1, basinikeze lawo ma bonus. Then only but the 12 players are going to Maritzburg. And Anama was part of the 12. That's how Maritzburg was started. Sifika sithola abo Japi lapha. Bomtala abo AC, abo Junaid. Thina sihamba no AC ya, uNtswele nje.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Abo Steve Lekoli.
Abo Chipa, yeah, that's how Maritzburg started.
Oh udlalini uchipa kancane.
Bekuyibraya mamazi njani.
Awuthi mangitshela istory C1 angafuni ukungitshela ngaso esangale.
Yazi uke wathi siyamazi bekathanda istock nje.
Yeah.
Uchipa.
Ya manje akasayenzi manje sekaqondile
yeah.
lesa sikhathi.
Siyahamba uceda ukubhala iBM lakhe limnyama. Mina ngivange limhlophe elakudala iDolphin.
Yeah.
Emona tibos eya ha utlo rentsha bane rivaka eya awu uyasibona siyasuka senzani siyavaya siya ekasi so groove awu chipa manje khona umuntu sekambonile chipa uyangishiya ungishisa imoto samba ngeyakhe uthola umuntu uyangishiya ekase ngingalazi ngiyamfonela emona hayi yenza bona plan enotekseni bese ngikwate kanjani usathi uyafika lapha eflatini sengifuna ukumbamba ngamawashini uthi yongibhala iMcDonald bekhona enyawo uthi etsotsi bathi umnyama yase Maritzburg bebayisaba yonke ivayela ngada ivane cherry ayi chip uyayibiza le out mayibheka uchip usibheka so manje le out akithi yabona ibedi ibheke ngaphi out lokukhuluma
Yeah.
akazi iyabodle cherry kade attention ikhona ithema ijika ithi bathola Steve sathi ala kuya fika beka la baby yathi thina sizibona zonke sihlele eMcDonald andoda ngizwa ngibona umuntu sekasuka ngitse sona katile kwe ayimeli bomgesho ugesho uye wayisolve yonke lento okay msolvela yona indaba kaJiba siyamazi bathi umnyama phela ispinner saseMaritzburg
umuntu ungakulimaza but okay mase sibuyele discussion how was the stay there Maritzburg and how's the team how was the spirit and bebanjani abo Farouk compared to okay owners with like or thing it style sabo how do they run their business Abu Farouk and banola khama kanjani manifika ngada and in terms of your team nina nahlangana kanjani because at the end of the day it's about working you need to work melindlale so how was the team you know got ngizothini bayihlanganise kanjani i-team yenu and nakufike nathola abobani abangada vele eMaritzburg bese bakhona and then tell us the story nje what happened ngifuna ukusummarize because sifuna ukukhuluma indaba ezibhayi angifuni isihlale endaweni e1 kaningi eMaritzburg how was the journey
the journey was wow. It was a warm welcome. Maritzburg be right. Financially, this is one team that was very well off.
They were well off, yeah.
Uphume Kasi, Uphuma Gucci. These people were very, very organized in terms of imali, nan. But when times goes on, you feel like you are in prison where nala uhlala khona sekuthumela umuntu azogada uthi na ngiyaphuza kwenzani fine. I didn't have a problem because back then bengakaphuzi bengisasomzete.
Yeah,
we understand us to sifika ngada sithola abuJapi abo Diba ungema abo Diba abo Junaid Hartley abo King.
King wase
Yeah,
Cape Town,
King,
yeah, King.
nabo Lynch Pool,
Lynch, yeah.
yeah, they were
Yonke
there.
leyo gang
Yeah,
ngiyakhumbula.
bahlanganisa nathi. Abo Sibali babavalela ngaphandle because coach it beku Trot. And Trot by then he believed mostly in youngsters with ilento. So laba abadala abaningi babavalela ngaphandle. But beba right ngoba they went to the office bathola imali cash bebadila ngecash back then. Mabathi kimi uthe indoda sayiterminator so gaya 50,000 or 100 buyithola cash bengekho indawo bathi siya transfer.
Oh, yo.
Uyalapha office bekhona elinye office lasemuva ngale. Wangena ngale siyazi dayi bawubuya lapho uphethe imali. Yabona hayi yona it was well it was more professional their team there and the stay where you play they placed you the asitshwalanga nase
Bankane plus bankane rice mahala ngisho.
Angithi by owner.
Yeah, bagaya rice imbulele rice lomfana uyidlile rice empilweni yakhe lomfana. I'm sure akasafuni nokuyibona mhlawumbe uyidla after 1 year.
Udle rice ashebe nge-rice.
Yeah, udle rice ashebe nge-rice. And then sharp uvayiswa yini la ntwana kwenzakalani ke Maritzburg mase sothi Free State so ubuyela manje kwesithu manje ngale but la eMaritzburg iphela kanjani le ndaba seMaritzburg?
After ulona left kwafika abo prof Ngubane
makuhamba bani uTrot. Okay.
Wafika boNgubane then after that wafika le yase Serbia ubani konje ngikhohli igama lakhe then wafika uNgubane and the team got relegated. Firstly I think one flop ebayenza ukuthi there were too many senior players, former players from the big team. They wanted to market the team.
Oh yeah, uyakhumbula senze right uthi right
Team yethu benzima on paper mawuyibhekela khohlwa
mara ground inakudlala
mayifika
abajita bala ngapha uyakhumbula le team yabo thu bekwavele bekwama senior player right. Yes,
when we started playing thina nabo Pasera nabo Sosibo nabo Graham King nabo Lynch beswina amagame.
Yes.
But every time kufaka lama senior players lawa ane pace yadli. That's how the team got relegated. And David waya ku Stars afika wabatshela hey mina bengithi ngiyakule phansi.
When?
Yeah.
Oh, from Maritzburg.
Yeah.
Okay.
After lapha ngisengisekasi sirelegatiwe phela.
Yeah,
mara ngisane 1 year esele lapho. And into enye umsearch into wasenzela yona there were no signing on fee terms at Classic. Sathi makathengisa team wasignisa ama letter ngelast day. Wama signing on fee. Wattach to the contract wasifika lapha sathola uma 15,000 20,000 nyana ngaleso sase bekusase imali ebhaya sense.
Oh, ku Classic beningena se bekunyuke grand yeah. No, bekunyuke sharp yeah.
Bafika lapho basinikeza imali.
So I understand isela uthi kuthembisa Classic beningena signing on fee.
Yes.
So masenivaya niya
Maritzburg. Yeah.
Le yenu le ipreza yini?
Yeah.
Ubani?
Uthabo. Yeah.
Wavele wanenzela fast amaletha kahle unenzela ama signing on fees fast ukuthi laba babhadala.
Yeah, angithi hamba nale kolotho.
Ebafethu bani hayi khona
Awubabhekele.
Awusibhekele la.
Maruba kawathile ngesikhathi yena bona bamsebenzela. Yeah, sharp.
Yeah.
So then my relegator wena buzitshela ukuthi uya Black Leopards.
Yeah, bengithi ngifuna ukuya.
Then ubuyela kanjani ku Free State ngoba boda?
David uVilakazi. Yakalapha assistant coach ku Maritzburg. Waya lapho yohlangana nobani nabo Steve nabo Mdeva uThemba Sithole. Yeah, mafika lapho mangisekhaya uyafuna endoda isipani ngithi next week Monday I'm going ngiyahamba ngiya ku Leopards. Yabona athi kimi no ungasayile. Woza la sine friendly Saturday. Woza la uzodlala. Yeah. Then at least mabanga kubona ngithi mara ngale ucoach atendoda ngithi nami ngibizwa yimi ucoach. Oh mangifika
wena usasena le yanto ya eish
yeah ngiyaya mangifika le yonke into vele ngisayine ku Stars ngihlale, of which I had the best years of my career.
Actually, that's where I was coming when I Tibos. Bafethu, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell to get all the latest updates as Jabu Mahlangu and Diski Shandis. Shuffling Diski Ringa, sing Sapetis Koko Sames Kokelayo, Sense of Knowledge, my co-host, and our guest, special guest, Brother Tabo. Ndoda yesicathulo malola ndoda eWorld Cup ndoda eWorld Cup ndoda yadlala amatrial ebhucwini ngensimbi. Yeah, Tibos coming back bengifuna ukuyala vele wena Tibos ukuthi wadlalele lama team sharp womnandi sikena sikubona sikena umuntu okena idisk mfethu ukena idisk umuntu noma umuntu ungamazi umuntu owazi ibhola mawubukela ibhola uyambona ukudala awuchess ibhola yabo bengifuna ukusho kanjalo ukuthi nami I don't know if I'm wrong or we are wrong. I think that's where you've played your best football. Mhlambe in your career I might be wrong, if you will correct me.
No,
Go Free State Stars.
No, you are 100% correct. In fact, Gula, I would say the best because I had fun, regardless of indaba zezaga, things that I achieved while playing for Free State Stars. One thing that I did, I had fun. Ukufike kwabo Steve, abo David being there, abo Themba Sithole. I was free to do anything. Ukuthi noma ngingahlala iviki ngekho ngiyazi next week mama ngathi na ngishavula ungale ku left but endoda uye ngale Phola buya but nanga uTiko ngale ku left endoda buya sekudinga ngiyazi ukuthi ngiyayicala next week bekuyilento enjalo mabathi naye eRose bathi abo papi uzothwane nabo Dikhashi makudlala nabo ubani uBash lapha esiswini bekuya mina esiswini kuba vele uyamazi uSteve kanzima kanjani.
Mina kahle ngikwazi ngaleyo ntana the first time I was introduced to you mfethu wangishange but enkela maybe ngadumba inyanga yonke nje ngadumba inyanga yonke nje ungishaye ngebhathi mfethu ngithi ubhathi ubani but le mnyama yashaya le lapha lemfishane bo ushaya ibhathi ndoda
abaningi no Stochkov bekazi baza abolevu abomkwena don't go that side always cut inside that man will
why vele boshaya ibhathi so mfethu
bengashaya ibhathi ushavula
no bonge phela like ithi
ngibe ibhathi leso
no that's why ngithi cela ukuyibeka kahle nami kumavuya singabi ngathi no you were not dirty yabo you were so aggressive ngathi nawe ngathi bodla intashi konzakala
no actually Steve wangichange. I would say he changed me and he changed my career. Him and Trot kahle because yibo bengishaya center back ngishaya i-anchor bona bangise side inside ngidlala left or ngidlala right because at some point I was competing no Pasera, secondly sengicompete no Chapi ngaku right because I was using both of my legs. Now me playing in the middle bengithanda ukudlala but being aggressive so
why ibuyaphi ngifuna ukwazi intwana lobu aggressive yabo like bubuya kuphi
ukhulele emadladleni you come from Limpopo ile way ngakhona it's like when you want a strong striker as aggressive nyana uye Natal or center back so in football inaleyo culture mangifuna umuntu onzima last bengikhuluma nawe mangifuna umuntu onzima number 10 or wing elicedayo quick ngizoze Josi
no you understand
so injalo nami based on the culture yami ubuye Limpopo coming there I've been like that sonke lesikhathi so they said no ngizosebenzela la esayidini mara makunyiwe emidlilini lapha yimi uPolos uDuncan wazi Steve yalokho
Polos from kubu striker uPolos wangena lapha washaya
bonke lo Duncan ayibuki striker
Duncan boy
besiza lapha bathi eRosa City lapha angeke usayenze next ngeke idlala team yakho uyathanda uthanda.
What were your good memories mfethu ku Free State Stars and your funny moments nje usicocele kancane njengaku classic not ukuthi this platform we are not embarrassing people we are not bashing people. I'm sure uyayazi show yethu you've seen
Yeah.
it. We asile on top.
Yeah.
But itori abantu abangazikini itori mfethu abantu basibona nje masingene ethanelini. Then after tunnel mase singala abakeni ukuthi engenangala kumnandi mfethu nama jokes senze izinto ezibhayi. So I just want to hear from you your best game if Free State Stars that you've played is either as an individual your best game or as a team uyikhumbulayo and the funny moments nje ezikhona and who was your worst dress ku Free State Stars ubani umuntu bekagcoka nonsonzo la nathi uzikapile futhi makavela ne ayi nivele niboti mara nkosi yami mara wenza mara yini lento ayenzayo knowledge mara
I think the best game that I ever played, it was, I think it was 2010. Besides lawa manye, la besivula Ellis Park, Slalane Pirates. We lost 1-0.
Yeah.
But I still believe I had one of the best game that I ever played for Free State Stars. Amanye ngadlalile, but the joy being echo, we've beaten the Chiefs and angidlale kahle bangitshela, but angifilanga later I felt ukuthi no, and a worst part with the atmosphere ukuthi World Cup was coming.
Yeah.
So bekuyileyo nto. Now the best dresser beku Ruben. Ruben was neat, clean, always on spot. Ruben Klute ahlezi on spot. Abo polos beku amanika.
Nyamazi ku Pirates benginaya ngisho.
Hayi West.
Beku Pirates
West bethatha itrophy beku Cooks out here.
Ubani?
Walter Khumalo, Sibali, Walter Khumalo, goalkeeper.
Yeah, goalkeeper.
Liyasi Sasolbeck. Uthola ukufika ngathi church. Shayithini Walter. Ngaleso sikhathi usithe uNgcobo lokungena. I Cookza uyazishaya. Basijika kaphu yalaka.
Yeah, but how was the Mukwenas mfethu? How do they run their business now as the family, the Mukwena family?
I think the star wall was the timer, Mike, a very good timer. One person that understood football. One person that didn't want to see his players suffer. If there's concern, Yama results, he will come and he would cry.
Serious boy.
I'm telling you, he would cry. He understood that. And I think one person Omunye that understood, I think he was close to him, Bogu Rantz.
Intwana. Urantz.
Kotso, the problem was competing with the players, whether with girlfriends, whether with cars.
Oh, Leo said that. Uyakena le nto esani ikhona la ngifuna ukumention
and akabe ku spotlight abamkeni.
Yeah, ibona
la. Uphethe ukuthi yena uyibossini.
And ufuna ukustamp authority everywhere makuvela wena ufuna kubonakala. And amathi thina sikhulele eJozi evindo ngibuyela Limpopo sikhulele thina sithukanga phela empilweni. Uhlezi ngisho lento ungaba nemali anamali. If ngifeel ukuthi ngwenya lento yenza wrong, I'll tell you engwenya wrong angizoncenga or we were like that some of us. Ukuthi ngwenya mind your lane. Thina ngeke sizothuswa uwe ngobula. But if do you think if Mike can come or time ufika even cause la nawe noma ungadlaleli Pirates you can respect his end. To everyone respect his end. Injalo.
So bekayithatha kanjani ilose uBra Mike njengoba usho ukuthi no vele bekalazi ibhola mina ngimazela nami kude. Ngimazela from distance but asithi ilose yena bekayithatha because we know other chairmans dota abanye baxosha ama coach nga 2 weeks nani abekho patient so yena how bekadila kanjani when the team is not really like doing well?
I think like I said before, Bra Mike understood football. He wouldn't shout up unless if we are being consistent in losing.
Yeah.
If injalo then uzobiza meeting nifike senizoxabana ke lapho se umbona sekakhipha inyembezi nathi would feel ukuthi mara siyalfail time because noma uhleli naye unegotiate time uyakuzwela akusilo umuntu azokutshela ukuthi ngokunika lokho ngokunika uhlala lapha ukhulume naye you state your reason timer 1 2 3 and he understood at no it's fine if usho njalo but ngifuna ukubona let's say namanje Shavula ufika uhlala time ngifuna ukubha idlala time into engayenza okay fine hambe ulithenga idlala ngicela ungilethele ama details then saniyon fee yakho ngizoyifaka lapha ngizokunika le ngifuna ukukunika yona noma ungathi ungathi wena ufuna 100 abuya kunikeze maybe 300 or 500,000 ayifake lapho kule deposit time abokumuntu enjalo so laba inkinga ukuthi uma unegotiate nabafuna ukukunika lokho bakufuna ukukunika kona so kulaba ecala exesha khona ukuthi amara ubani ushavula azothola 40 or 50,000 ufuna uzocompete nami ngeimoto kula ibuyela khona so thina abanye kulabe sithi no thina sifuna itime nina
imani kancane
funa itime lucky Ranzi never had a problem
no Ranzi semnqa out uye ke nami at least ngingaba not ukuthi ngingahlali ngikhuluma naye but the timing sasipana super sport masenza ama game nani makakhona
easy uyakwazi communicate akutshela athi no it's fine ithi ngikarangel uyenze then you go ngale noma ufunani
so ngifuna ukwazi man Free State Stars has produced a lot of players who was the scout lapha benine scouting team or bebazenzela le time le
it was not my ignorance the man behind the Free State Stars in terms of scouting Themba Sithole lo kusikhukhune
manje
that's
one wonder nesikhukhune nayo mfethu
isayina kahle nambe ngazi
every year uyaletha sorry every year uyaletha ulona angakuletha kuhambisa letha but up until when you'll find the good core I think Themba was the man behind Free State I think even now Ranzi for them to sell the team they realized ukuthi sekahambile kusikhukhune ayisekho into source of income and yinto against Stars never bought players they never believed in former PSL players that are well known balethi raw talent then babuye bayithengise so the moment they started going to ama former PSL players that's where after Uluki Mayel yes they won in Nedbank but the team got relegated. So what have you won? Because a player I won or I two, Stars have won the league. That's how they keep the timer they keep afloat. But Themba was the man behind.
So angazi bosafuna ukuchubeka because ngiyazi ukuthi isikhathi sashaya but I mean mfethu you were a good defender, you were very influential ku Free State Stars, you've played almost all the games. Why ucabanga ukuthi yini into enza ukuthi mhlawumbe ungazange uthola chance ukuthi maybe uye ku Pirates? Why I'm asking this is because of what we've seen before between the relationship Free State Stars and the Pirates. We've seen a lot of great players coming from Free State Stars to Orlando Pirates or azange kube ne team nje at that time usase ku Free State Stars where you were playing your best football azange mhlawumbe kube ne team noma kungasi Pirates like a specific ngikhuluma nge-Pirates because of the relationship that they had with Free State Stars in terms of exchanging players, especially players coming from Free State Stars going to Pirates. So azange kube nje mhlambe wena namanye ama team akufunayo maybe boma Super Sport, Wits, decent team Chiefs, Sundowns during that time when you were really doing well for Free State Stars.
They were
so what if they were kwenzakaleni and just
with the Pirates ngizocala ngayo I don't know kwenzakaleni because lento le it was in 2006 after the promotion ne Tembisa Classic even before we went to Maritzburg they told me no mcece wangitshela ukuthi endoda khona interest so we went there in 2006 sile Maritzburg again yabuya then ngitshelwa konje ubani wangitshela eMaritzburg lenye time belisipana lapha office ngiyangitshela into they came that time ngabe ucashibe ukhafu
Rashid.
so I was part of that list. I don't know game kwenzakaleni I didn't go there. Now 2 stars they refused totally or Mike wala straight we platinum that time nina nila platinum Steve Afika. I was supposed to go platinum in terms of imali be right.
Imali bebakunika lapha bayeke ngemali. Platinum
at the time the way bengimrespecta ngakhona even the way bekangenzela izinto ngakhona ngicina sengiyinto engihambisa nokungihambisa ku start. You understand because ngicina sengingala ngasafuna abonta ngisakho interested manje.
Then Dynamos ngifuna sigijime or bosafuna ukungena ku Stars. Dynamos na usozithola sole ku Dynamos konje le out le beku Braga Bobstick I chairman e Dynamos uPet uPet Malabela bekanjani lo muntu and how was the journey just summarize nje your stay ku Dynamos and the way uPet Malabela yena ayenza ngakhona izinto because mina bengizibonela itenderpreneur even at that time bengizibonela itenderpreneur umuntu ongalazi ibhola othole nje inyuku emathendeni. That was my view. I'm not saying I'm right but that was my view. Uthole inyuku emathendeni inini then what hayi ngifaka team ngifuna ukuba ne team nami ku PSL. I don't know or mhlambe convince uBobby or naye bekafuna ukukopa kuBobby because bebayimpi nje yabona no Bobstick or not close angazi but ngiyazi ukuthi bebazana bebanokuba bonke angazi so yena bekasipana ka beka operate kanjani mdlali and ne Dynamos nje because nayi Dynamos ngathi benisokola lapha yana man ngathi Premiership Mill ngathi bebe angitshele kahle angazi ngakufaka amagama emlomeni ngakufaka amagama emlomeni
mina bangisafika bangisafika ukutshela istory ngasizo bangisafika team was okay hayi izinto bezi right ngihlala ku BNP ngathola iflat from iflat ngathola idladla in one season. But the next season, the second season, bekuyinkinga because uPet was the president of the Limdef. Chairman Limdef, Limpopo Development. So it looks like imali Limdef was being used with Dynamos. So ngathi kwaba nobukurukuru bamvayisa from that. Kula icala khona ukusokola.
Mabahambi SuperPet.
Or
mabathengisa team. Mabahambisa kule organization.
Le Limdef Limpopo Development ku government. Ile yama funds we sports. Limdef.
There's a structure like that in Limpopo. Does it still exist?
I think so. Ile anti-development ile.
Senza khipha amehlo kanje ucabanga ngathi. Ngiyakubona nje uyokhipha.
Angakhe ngayizwa lento enjalo.
So after lapho
kula ama-funds angasangeni ngathi khona itender kwayenzeka lapho bagcina sebamremove uPet kula iDynamo started suffering and some of us left lapha nakusheshe
mara bathi futhi okay sorry ukhatha mdlali
ngithi hayi no it's fine ngithi saqala ukufunana namanye ama-greater
mara manisasela leyangwenya bengizwa bathi ngathi ilengwenya naye benokungena e-dressing room ithi lower coach akaphume ngena Thibo sense phuma Jabu ngena what like
bekakwenza
ivar reading
uPet uyangena lapha mthe ngikhumbula sikhujwa umayoyo la afika tshela
noHotman utamayoyo naye mhlawumbe ushayelwe naye tozakhe
usakhuluma usathi simshayile uthi uPet usathi no coach lo akaphume sifake izathi hayi chairman le ifuna insamo aphumele ngaphansi ayobheba
ayihotman yami ihotman ekene uyakela nawe sinokuba nayo nami namanje sizwana blind ithini
chairman le ifuna insamo awuchebela sala coach ulona uyobheba ngaphansi ngaleso sikhathi bambekile icoke uyaphuza amanga ashaya icoke 2 liter sithi yaqala iwoma mbuzo ethi Thabo angitholele icoke Phela ngiphume ku map kuyobhayika.
Kanjani coach Mayoyo ngoba nangu usumbhizi bengazi nokuthi bengazi mina ngimazi as a person even namanje noma sihlangana nginayo Hotman silaha wayo nginamanje so as a coach intwana unjani coach uMayoyo
Very knowledgeable. Uyalazi ibhola.
Yeah.
It's just that sometimes in football as coaches, how we implement things, it's not the way sizikhuluma ngakho. Baning that understand football. I would say now manje, many coaches, sonke siyafunda semakhosini. All the instructors are there. What have they won, the instructors? But Petabo A, pro, abo instructor and stuff. Did you see anyone or instructor or Gwinelli Cup
He's a
PSL?
great coach.
That's something mina ngikho ku coaching mhlambe niyabona but understand.
So implementation is the key than the knowledge itself.
Hayi mfethu Gomora okay Gomora so yele maphethelweni I think u retire ku Gomora
Roses.
No. Oh, Gomora and then Roses. Sense ngathi bufuna ukusho something.
Ilo Gomora angithi coach akhona manje. U retire ku Roses. Was it the time you coach out Clinton? Clinton last
Roses.
Yeah.
No, after. Uzile mina bengudana Musa ku Roses. Angithi then maqeda ukuhamba kwafika thina.
Oh.
Yeah.
So,
then why go plong.
And then why did you decide to retire after Roses?
Inkinga. I'm a family man. I'm a very stable man. Life it's planned. It's pre-planned. If ngifuna imali yami ngifuna manje. If ungithemisa uzonganga nge25 ngifuna nge25. Angifuni nge27. Angifuni nge23. Ngifuna nge20. Yeah, understand. So the moment seyicala iba inconsistent, then it is stable life
yeah.
So kula ngibona khona yazini athi ngimi ngicina sengithenga team nobhuti wami. I started coaching a team eyasekhaya esayizithengele ku Castle eLimpopo eBeresford bebayibiza first 11 before ngizoya ku Free State Star we Super Eagles and get promotion to NFT. Because now brother wami uthe macala ngiyambona masisenza ama tender ngisatholi imali. If my life cannot be consistent, then I quit that thing. I look for something else. So life yami ihlezi ibalanced because if ara nase bank makoloti idlala balifuna nge day 1. Koloti imoto bafuna ngaleyo day. So into yami it must be pre-planned. Life yami is planned for next month. Already yonke into next month ilapho say secure right impilo yami ngiphila kanjalo. Hayi ukuthi manten ngizokhala ngalezo but yonke into yami is pre-planned.
No. And then you've won the league as a coach, ne? Twice, ne? Twice go ABC Motsepe. How's the feeling for now? Okay, maybe you didn't win the league as a player, but now you won it as a coach, and what motivates you every day ukuvuka uhambe uyocoacha because nokubona bo coach umuntu uyabona ngena ku coaching injani after 2 months nje sengimpunga ngimhlophe coaching bathi ya stressana mngana wena yini into kumotivateayo
stressed or pressure yenzelwa abantu abangawazi umsebenzi wabo. One thing that as a coach I made an oath ukuthi ngizoxoshwa futhi ngizochashwa. First thing ngifuna sijabule, but in us sisijabula ngifuna sibe more disciplined in everything that you do. Manje it's very rare if ngizoyibeka kanje Shavul manje ngiyafika kule studio lezi in this podcast bomaneli sengihleli necamera lapha ngenze ithathele mic ngihleli necamera le so life kumele yonke into must be in order. Everything must be same ne coaching yonke into kumele ibe as much as manje sijabulile kumnandi but there's order in terms of your organization, in terms of ilento whatever how you run the program. So nebhola linjalo coaching neland the moment you start missing those bongula uqala uba stress khona it means umsebenzi wakho awazi.
Last question. intwana oyibhekile lapho ku division yenu ku NFD ngisho. I want you to tell us either can be from your team Gomora or kwamanye ama team. Intwana mhlambe othi nawe mawubhekile uthi lentwana le isazoyishukumisa iPSL lentwana le kule minyaka ezayo. And then your comment ngebafana qualifying for World Cup, advice yazibona zingakanani uyozihlanganisa uzisummarize ne advice for amajita, obviously the current players and up and coming young stars, and word of the day nje for our viewers to see Val.
Okay,
summarize nje yonke la.
The first konintwana lapha kithi kwiGomora bathuqopoza.
Yeah.
I said it from the first time I laid eyes on him. This boy is going too far. For the first game, he didn't.
Igama lakhe nesibongo ubani sizokwazi ukumonitor not ukuthi simphuthe nje on record simfisele kuhle sikwazi ukuthi masimbona ngathi uyabhayiza sikwazi ukungena uthi hey baba sikufuna la ntwana.
Yeah. I think Zube check. I don't check akapaya.
Okay, no, it's fine.
Sizomthola. Ile khona lapha on the social media your team. Now, in terms of advice to Ibafana Bafana, look, the stages are the same. Same field, same atmosphere, different intensity. So if we can adjust well going to Ibafana Bafana, psychologically sangaba right, sangaba okay. I think the coach has instilled that, and it's something that I've been saying for years. Work with the psychological factors of the players.
Yeah.
They'll produce results.
You're right.
I would say, Uchabu Pule ngwana wa Tshwenya, they'd say Uchabu bekaphuza. But Uchabu ulona konjubani the coach yakho. Bomshayela ispan.
Machine, yeah.
Machine.
Yeah. Ubani. Izongixabanisa ni out yakho.
Yeah. Bomshayela ispan.
Yeah.
Come weekend 2 days akachabe. Manje thina sinakana nelendo. Remember, drinking is part of it disease. It's a sickness.
It's a sickness.
So you need to manage it.
Yes.
I cannot penalize you based on your sickness. As long as I'm a result, it's okay. Now, a word of the day, I will say, it's very hard to climb the mountain, but the view is beautiful. But when you turn around and you look at the view, you say, wow, the country is beautiful.
Yeah, and
thank you.
Where do you want to see you in the next 5 years or 10 years? Wena nje angazi uzibekela short term or long term. Masesisivala ufuna ukuzibona kuphi wena?
As it 3 years.
Yeah, that's why ngifuna ukubeka 5 or kanti wena kanti wena 1 day uzibekeli 1 day kusasa yabo, so ufuna ukuzibona
PSL. The next 2 years I need to be in PSL. It's either as an assistant or what, but in the next 5 to 10 years Melengzwinele, I mean cup, I'm going to be, I still believe it. Mark this, whether somebody like it or not, in the next 5, 6 to 10 years, I'll be one of the best coaches with PSL.
Danko. Siyabonga bafethu. Chance. Wow. Yeah, beautiful story there. I lomchita. It was out yakhuluma mfethu. Amelubuye mfethu. That was our beautiful show namhlanje. Siyabonga kakhulu futhi mfethu ukuthi usivakashele. That was uThabo Tsihofatso Mashego. Chance, that was Jabu Mahlangu and Diski Shandis shuffling Diski Ringers. Sonibona kwelizayo bafethu. Adios.
It's a wrap.
Danko. Eyaringa le ndoda yo.